So good day everyone. So now the procedure that I will be making is bed batting. So now the patient is lying in the bed. So the materials we need is pad towel, then two small towels, then medical gloves or disposable gloves, alcohol, then we improvise the basin with some tabo, then we improvise a what do you call this balde. So now first I will be sanitizing my hand. So I'm a student nurse Jeff Liwag, and this is my assistant student nurse Troy. So now I will be putting my gloves. So now, sir, so before we proceed, can I please know your name, sir?
Franklin Bata.
How old are you?
90.
And what is your birthday? When is your birthday, sir?
July 15, 2005.
Okay, so now that we identified the patient, so now I will be providing some privacy. So now, first I will be putting the bath towel in the patient. So, like that. Then next, we will be roll down the patient's patient's blanket. So the roll down is inwards so that we cannot have any what do you call this contamination. So So now, I will be starting the bathing. So I will put this towel in the patient's back of head. Then, so now I will be proceeding to taking the bathing for the patient. So. So before we put this in the patient's body, I will be asking him if the temperature of the towel is okay. So, sir, is the temperature of the towel is okay? So now we will be proceeding from the forehead outwards. So sir, allow me to remove your hair from your forehead. So inward, outward. So now I will be washing this. Okay. Now that my assistant is pat drying the forehead patient. So now I will be proceeding the face. So outward again. So okay. So you can tap there, sir. So now I will be proceeding in the upper extremities of the patient. So in the arm, so right arm first, sir. First, I will be getting the towel in the head of the patient. So then putting this in the under the arm of the patient. So, sir, allow me to. Okay. So now I will be proceeding to batting the arms of the patient. So this time I will be going to distal to proximal of the patient. So now from the wrist of the patient into the elbow of the patient. So now I will be proceeding in the bicep and triceps of the bicep, triceps, and the axillae of the patient. So like this. proximal, distal to proximal, and then to axillate. So I'm done with the first the left arm of the patient. So it's vice versa. You will do it in the right arm of the patient. So now I will be proceeding in the lower extremities of the patient. So I will be okay. So again, this is distal to proximal. So
Wait. Pag-repeatos. Ikakat mo na lang. Papabend niyo yung paa ko.
okay.
Yung flexion ganyan. Cut nyo na lang yan.
So now, before I'm taking bath of the patient, I will be flexing the patient's lower extremity. So please sir, flex your knee, sir. So from the wrist of the foot to the two-head of the patient. So proximal, distal to proximal, then proximal to distal. So now I will be proceeding in the legs of the patient. So sir. Now I will be asking my assistant to support the patient's knee. So,
Gusto mo na.
Ano mo susuportan mo ganyan basta matatago yung patient?
so now we will be proceeding to the thigh of the patient. So, okay, distal to proximal, then distal to proximal. So I'm done cutting the left lower extremity of the patient. So it's vice versa again. You will do it again in the right arm, right lower extremities of the patient. So now we will be proceeding to the mid extremities of the patient, the back and the abdomen, chest. So now we will be
Turn.
so now we will be turning the patient sideways. So now Mr. Troy will be doing the back of the patient while I'm supporting it. So can you please, sir?
Wait lang. Gawin niyo ganito. Palabas niyo muna dito. Tapos supportan niyo yung tawid. Tapos talaga nito ako para hindi mo para
Sir, ganun mo.
Ako na.
Sige. Yan.
Taas mo na. Baba.
Wait.
So now the butt of the patient. Outward, inward to outward. Okay, so like that. Then now, the chest and the abdomen of the patient. So you can get the patient's back to the original position. So now the middle part of the patient. So now I will be starting in the abdomen. So can you please assist me? So proximal to distal, from the abdomen to the chest. So just pagkakasama.
Tapos na yun eh. Pag tanggal gloves. Tapos sanitize. Tapos documentation.
Okay. So now we're done. So we will now sanitize our hands again. We're removing the glove. So now for documentation, we will be asking the patient if he or she are comfortable with our procedure. So now, sir, are you comfortable with the bed taking, sir?
Wait lang. Nakalimutan na pala ako kumutan ulit.
Cut na lang ulit, sir.
Sige, cut nyo lang. Kumutan niyo ako. Mag-gloves po kayo?
Hindi na.
Kumutan niyo lang ako, tapos cut niyo yung gloves. Balik ka doon. Para kayo mag-zigzag. Di ba ito yung kungot, dulo ng kungot, ito yung dulo ng, ito yung dulo ng tawid, dulo ng kungot. Habang inaangat yan.
So, tapos natanggal siya sa ano?
Hindi, dalawang kamay yun. Yan, ganyan. Okay, ready?
Hindi okay.
Pero kung gusto nyo ulitin,
Wait na.
ipit nyo na lang sa pako para hindi yung marami. Hindi makita sa bigyan.
Pag muna di kita. 1, 2, 3, bitaw. Bitaw sa kapatid.
So now we will be asking the patient if he or she is comfortable with the bed blood. So sir, are you comfortable with the procedure, sir?
Yes.
Okay, so we're done. So thank you so much. I'm your student nurse Jeff Libag, and this is
Student nurse Troy Barrios.
okay, and this is bed blood taking. Okay.